Hello YouTube, Logan here. In today's video guys, I'm going to be replacing every single bearing on my Redcat Tornado EPX Pro. Now, this car has extremely worn out bearings, so I'll give you a couple examples. There's that. And then my diffs are my highest concern, look at this. I shouldn't be able to do that, but in today's video guys, I will be showing you the teardown and how to take out the bearings and put them in. So let's just go over the bearings. I chose the Winter Evening Winter Storm series. This is just a basic hybrid blue rubber seals. I don't really know. Basically a fancy name of saying blue rubber that seals the bearing. It's 20 pieces apparently. For your it can be used for the volcano, I believe, and the tornado. And as you can see, I haven't opened it yet, but I'll get that in a second. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quickly. I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. That was sweet. I didn't get any scissors. Scissors, not Caesars. Okay, oh, there's your 20 bearings. This happens to be the same number as this, so I'm assuming it's like the model number. As you can see, there's a lot of bearings in here. These are my diff bearings, I'm pretty sure. But without further ado, let's get right into this. Okay guys, there's a small problem here. This bearing kit doesn't have every bearing you need, because I replaced the center bearing that's right in here. It's right behind this. And now I don't have enough of the small bearings to replace the one that's right here. Most of these aren't that good looking either. Like, the seals aren't touching the actual metal part in there. You can see a physical gap. Like a pretty big one too. I'm okay with a little bit of gap, but there's quite a big gap there. And then just some of the seals are already dented in on these bearings, just from me picking them out and like, what the heck. I don't know. I feel like it wasn't a great buy. I wouldn't buy the winter evening bearing kit. I'm just gonna put that out there. I would definitely buy one of the higher class bearing kits from like Jim's Bearings or Fast Eddie Bearings. Does Jim's Bearings even make it? I don't know. I'm pretty sure. I know for a fact Fast Eddie's Bearings does make a bearing kit for the Tornado, and I don't know about their hybrid blue rubber seals, because let me show you a good example here. There's a definite difference between their hybrid blue bearings. This is a lighter tone of blue and it's a darker tone of blue. I'm not sure how it's going to come out on camera, but I'm just going to surround it with these. You should be able to see different color discoloration there between the center smaller bearing for like the inside of your hubs here, and I don't know what these ones are for, honestly. It says it's for the Volcano and the Tornado, so I mean, I guess that's why they would be there, but I don't think it's acceptable to not have all the bearings required for the full bearing kit. That's kind of crappy. So if you do find a kit, make sure you do have the center bearing included, because currently there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the small bearings in your kit. There should be 9 if you want to replace all the small ones. And then, I mean, other than that, that's probably my only complaint here. I mean, they aren't the greatest quality seals ever, and they're hybrid blue. They're just getting from crappy Chinese manufacturers for bottom price, I can tell you that. If I had to buy this bearing kit again, I would not. I would go and get the the more expensive kits that are better known, and you know, that's it. I will put out a running video once I get this this last little bit done. Then the whole car will be done.